Show your Valentine how much you love them with this giant retro chocolate box prop made using the fantastically bright and colourful Splashes water-based enamel range from White Night Paints. For this project you'll also need some coloured construction paper, paper doilies, pie tins, cardboard, cutting tools, paintbrushes, a ruler, masking tape, hot glue gun, and some small items from your recycling bin or craft stash to turn into little chocolates. The first thing to do is cut 2 big heart shapes from cardboard, one for the base of the chocolate box and one for the lid. Make the lid piece slightly larger than the base so it can slot on top. You'll also need 2 long strips of cardboard to create your box. To create each section of the box, affix the strip all the way around the heart piece using masking tape. Now for the fun part. Take some cherry red paint from the Splashes range and paint the entire box lid and base using a small roller. I use 2 to 3 coats to make it extra vivid. Then use some white construction paper to create a frill for the edge of the lid, which you can attach with hot glue. I also created some bow pieces from pink construction paper to add to the look and cut edges off my little foil pie tins for a shiny trim. Now to make the chocolates. I used some empty cardboard cores from masking tape rolls combined with round circles of cardboard to create little round chocolates. I also had some old styrofoam balls in my craft stash, which I cut in half to use as well. But just use whatever you can find at home. To make my shapes more chocolatey, I used cream and mission brown paint from the Splashes range, which matched the shades of white and milk chocolate perfectly. Again, you want to do 2 to 3 coats for a nice glossy coverage. On each chocolate, I used a fine brush to paint on some ice details. I created little patties for my chocolates by making slices in a pie tin, layering it under a paper doily and folding the whole thing around my chocolate, securing with hot glue. I then glued all my chocolates into the base of the box. Seeing them all together was such a delight. And here's the finished product. It's so fun. This giant chocolate box will make the perfect handmade gift for a loved one on Valentine's Day, and it's a super fun project to work on with friends or kids. Happy crafting!